Imagine waking up to water views, coffee in hand, and no noise. That's what life is like at our newest listing at 10103 Salewinds Boulevard. My name is Grant Gaitis with the Gaitis Home Team. Come on in and check it out. My three favorite things about our newest listing is that phenomenal water views with lake access that you can fish and or kayak. It's an end unit allowing a bunch of natural light into the home, and the community also has a heated saltwater pool so you can even enjoy it during our winter months. Come find your dream with the Gaitis team.